Remy and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are mixing my two favorite things together. That is TikTok and that is cooking. Huge shout out to my friend Whitney Simmons. I saw that she did this video on her channel. I loved it and I wanted to give it a try. As we all know, TikTok has a plethora, that was a big word, of different sort of content on there. There's the dancing, there's the tech hacks, I don't know, there's like a tons of different stuff. But my favorite things on there are cooking videos. Also, in case you didn't know, I do make TikToks on a regular basis. Lately I've been sharing my health journey with you guys. I've been losing some weight after quarantine and I've been documenting everything on there for you guys, from like foods to recipes to workouts. My TikTok username is Miss Remy Ashton. In case you guys want to check it out, it's linked down below. Basically, I'm just gonna make some fun TikTok recipes today that I've never tried before and I've really wanted to try. So yeah, also be sure to check out my vlog channel. It is linked down below. I've been vlogging pretty much like every day and it's been a lot, but I hope you guys like them. And let's get started. All right, first up, we're gonna start off with banana nice cream, which if you know me, I actually make this all the time, but this guy did it in a way that I have never seen before. Let's pull up the TikTok and make this together. All right, so it looks like he takes his bananas and slices them up, which I normally just throw my whole ass banana into the freezer. So this might make a difference. And then he added in a bunch of other stuff that I normally do, like nut butter and almond milk and stuff, and then blended that up, then froze the whole thing as a whole and then scooped it like ice cream, which this is genius. So I am excited to see how this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna begin by slicing up my little bananas into little slices like this. Again, I've never done it this way, so I'm curious to see if this blends better. Sometimes I get some chunks in mine because I don't do this first. So we will see how this goes. That was some Top Chef shit. We got some brown bits, it's okay, we'll just take her out. Then he like placed them all in a glass dish. Now I'm gonna put this in the freezer until they become hard, question mark, I think. Sometimes TikToks don't really tell you enough information, so I'm just gonna put them in and then hope for the best. Okay, so our bananas are frozen-ish now. I'm gonna put them into a blender. Here we go. I think you don't want it like rock hard. I think if they're still a little soft, it's okay. Then I'm gonna add in some almond butter, a little bit of milk of my choice, and then I personally want chocolate chips, so I'm gonna add in chocolate chips. 3, 2, 1. It's a little soupier than his, but okay, now I'm gonna take it and pour it into my container here. Oh, it's very soupy. I'm gonna sprinkle it with some more chocolate chips, and then we're gonna refreeze this until it's hard and we can scoop it. Well, it's very soft still for the most part, but this is like a nice ice cream consistency, so let's give it a bite. That's good. Honestly, I think I would do no almond butter because I like just the chocolate banana flavor by itself, but it's not bad. And I like this texture. It's very nice. It's kind of like a soft serve. This is healthy ice cream.
Healthy ice cream.
Healthy ice cream.
Wouldn't call that ice cream, but it tasted pretty good.
Next up, we're gonna make a vegan and gluten-free fettuccine Alfredo. First off, let me just say, I have always wanted to make an Alfredo sauce like this, but I've never tried because I've been a little nervous. TikTok is really pushing me today. So we're gonna be making an Alfredo sauce using cashews, nutritional yeast, and then using kelp noodles instead of regular pasta. If you guys watch this channel or any of my vlogs, you know that I love kelp noodles. So that's pretty normal for me, but I have never made a sauce using nuts before, and I am curious to see if it actually tastes good. Welcome to my pantry. This is my nut section. I really hope I have cashews here, but I'm not positive. Ooh, I need a snack for real while we're here. I've saw someone talk about these on TikTok and they're so good. Cashews, got them. Snack, got it. Oh God, oh so good. So you need raw cashews. I've never tried a raw cashew before. That was an emotional roller coaster. I'm starting with hot water in this bowl. Oh my God, it's heavy. I need 2 hands. Hot water check. Live like we're golden. Like we're golden. Okay, if anybody doesn't watch TikTok, they're gonna think I'm an absolute idiot. Okay, you're gonna take 1.5 cups of cashews and soak them in hot water for 10 minutes. Oh no. The timer has gone off. We are now going to drain our nuts. Dun, 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 dun. Cool. We're gonna do it in the magic bullet because that's what the TikTok lady did. So we got this. I'm gonna add our softened nuts. Honey, ew. Oh, they feel weird. Isn't it weird that you can turn cashews into a sauce? We're gonna take 1/4 of a lemon, squeeze it in. 1¼ cups of water. I don't know if that's gonna work. And then, boom, my new favorite thing to ever exist. This is nutritional yeast. You guys, I have been putting this on literally any surface I can put things on. I'll put it on my toast. I'll put it on my pasta. I'll put it on my popcorn. Oh my God, pop some fresh popcorn, do a little olive oil spray and this, and it tastes like cheese, but it's vegan, it's full of protein. I just like go sniff it. Oh my God, it like muffles your sound. I go sniff it from time to time. Oh my God, it smells so good. Now the TikTok lady said to do 3 tablespoons, but I'm gonna be honest, I like it extra cheesy, so I'm gonna do like heaping tablespoons to the point where it's probably gonna be like 5 tablespoons worth. She added dill, garlic powder, and salt. So for seasonings, I'm gonna do garlic powder, I like a lot, as well as salt. And then I like black pepper, so I'm just gonna add mine in. I'm like so stupid excited. I've always wanted to make a cashew cream sauce and I've always been far too lazy. I really didn't think that was gonna work. At first it looked really liquidy and then all of a sudden it got thick. It's now a thick boy? Oh my God. All I wanna do is spoon a big spoonful of this into my mouth and try it, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna prepare my pasta noodles and then have the full experience at the end. So let me quickly make some of these noodles so I can stuff my face. This is literally my last package of my noodles because I eat these every freaking day. They're so good. Okay, we're gonna pour the sauce on top. Oh my God. It's very thick. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to eat it if it's good. Obviously, we need a little more seasoning. I'm gonna top it with some red chili flakes just because, you know, color, you eat with your eyes. Also, it'll probably just taste better. And then a little garnish. We have some organic basil from my little plant. We're just gonna like place it Gordon Ramsay style right here. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna give it a mix so the noodles are covered in the sauce. Holy mother, that is so good. It would be better on regular pasta, I must say. This sauce is so good. Let's get Cal to come take a taste test. Cal, come here. Good, right?
Yeah.
Guess what it's made out of? Cashews.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it tastes all like that.
No
cream
more,
cheese.
this is my lunch.
Cream cheese.
It's so good. Absolutely 10 out of 10, would recommend. Thank you for coming, goodbye.
Yep, bye.
Like me. I wanna learn that. You want a good girl that. All right guys, next up, this one is perfect for you if you're looking for an ice cream treat, but you're more of like a fruity gal than like a chocolatey kind of person. So this one apparently, I'm going to slice up a banana and then make a strawberry sauce, mix that with some yogurt, and then coat the bananas in the yogurt. Then you freeze them and they're like little ice cream bites. They kind of remind me of those like banana slices covered in chocolate you get at Trader Joe's, but these ones are strawberry flavored. So I don't know if it's gonna be good. I don't know if I'm like a frozen yogurt kind of person, but we will see. All right, I'm gonna start off by taking some strawberries, and you're supposed to use frozen ones, but I don't have frozen ones, so I think it'll be fine. I'm just gonna chop them up, and then we're gonna microwave them, and then use the juice later, so I don't know, I think this should be fine. We'll see, obviously. Okay, microwaving the strawberries. I don't know if like there not being any liquid will make it explode maybe, because like she put frozen ones in, and this is fresh, so we'll see. She said 1.5 minutes, so I'm just gonna do like a minute and then hope for the best. Holy mother! Look at these, wait. Oh, it smells so good. This could be a candle. Wow, okay, I did 1 minute, looks good. Okay, so you mash it and you wanna get the liquid from these. I've never thought to microwave a berry before, and now, oh my God, I'm gonna do it all the time. Now I'm gonna take another banana and I'm going to chop it into bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna do like a little bigger chunks now because you want, you know, a good bite of banana when you bite into your yogurt, strawberry, whatever this is called. So I'm gonna start by using some yogurt. This is almond milk yogurt. The girl said she used dairy-free too, so I guess it works. Any yogurt will work. 4 spoons of that, along with the liquid of my strawberries. I should be measuring, but I am far too lazy right now, I'm sorry. You know, I'm just gonna pour it in. We got a delicious strawberries and cream mixture here. I think I want more strawberries. I'm just gonna do it all. Now we're gonna put our bananas down, and then you take your yogurt and you like put it on top of the banana. Mine looks really liquidy. Her yogurt looked a lot thicker than mine, but I think it's just like the yogurt then. Like I don't think I did anything wrong. I'm gonna be honest, they don't look nearly as cute as hers, but nonetheless, I'm still gonna freeze them and we will see what happens when they are solid. Okay, so it's been about an hour and the banana slices are probably ready. Please ignore my very messy and full freezer, but I put them right. Oh my God. Wait, they're so cute. They're definitely more pink than the girls were. All right, taste test, here we go. Banana, yogurt. Oh no. I don't know what to say, they're not good. I think the big problem here is the yogurt that I used was not good to begin with. I think if you use like a better yogurt that doesn't taste nearly as sour, then I think they'd be good. But these were definitely a fail for me. I don't like them, and now I'm not really sure what to do with them. If you're gonna use non-dairy, I think coconut milk yogurt would be much better in this situation. So I'm going to rate this a 2 out of 10. Thank you. I am so stuffed from the pasta, you don't even know. Like I feel so full, but I feel so good. And we're gonna finish off by making buffalo cauliflower, which is something that I've always wanted to make and I've never tried. So basically with this recipe, you can make buffalo chicken, but instead of using chicken, you use cauliflower. It's really big in the vegan community. Apparently you make a batter and then you cover the cauliflower in the batter, bake it in the oven, and then coat it in buffalo sauce. So sounds easy. I've heard people love it and I'm excited to try. Okay, so I'm gonna use oat flour. The girl in the video used all-purpose, but I thought I would try this. It's a little healthier. We're gonna do 3/4 a cup of oat flour, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So 1, 2, and then 1 teaspoon of paprika. I never use this. Oh shoot. And we're gonna add salt and pepper. Okay, looks good. And then 1 cup of milk. I am using oat milk. I think you can use whatever milk you want. It looks like it's a pretty loose batter, like it's not too thick, you know? Okay, I'm gonna whisk this all together. That was very simple. Okay, now I'm gonna take my cauliflower and I'm going to put it into my mixture and then give it a good coat all around and then put it on my baking sheet like that. I get lazy when I coat things. I'm just gonna like throw it all in there. It'll be fine. It smells good. It smells oniony. Is that alarming because we didn't use any onions? Possibly, but I trust the TikTok girl. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this until the whole sheet is covered and then we're gonna bake it for 20 minutes at 450 degrees. All right, the cauliflower are ready to go. They are a little soupy and don't look like the TikTok girls as much, but either way, we're gonna cook it, so I'm gonna put them in the oven now. Wait, the oven wasn't even ready. Why did it beep? Well, whatever. Okay guys, so the buffalo is out of the oven. I don't know if maybe it's because I used a different flour, but they're definitely, they look like cookies, like cauliflower cookies maybe. Apparently I'm supposed to now roll them around in buffalo sauce and then bake them again. I don't know what this is. Maybe I should have, ow! Ow, ow, ow. Oh, it tastes good though. Pour it in my bowl, and then you're supposed to take the cauliflower and then put it in, and then we're gonna bake it another 20 minutes, which seems like a very high temperature, and it sounds like my oven's about to explode. But I'm gonna rebake these again for another 20 minutes, and then they should be done. Oh, they're done. They don't look like chicken, but they look good. Okay guys, the cauliflower's out of the oven. I have some healthy ranch on the side. I wanna give this a bite. I'm so excited. All right, 3, 2, 1. You know, I'm not a fan. The cauliflower is soft. You can definitely tell it's cauliflower. I mean, I think if you think it's not chicken, then it tastes better. Honestly, I don't get the hype. It very much just tastes like cauliflower. That's it. I don't really like it. Oh no, I thought I was gonna like it a lot. I mean, honestly, I would just eat the cauliflower plain and not go through all the trouble and all the cooking. So I probably won't be making it again, but I'm glad that I finally tried what it tastes like. All right guys, that wraps up this video. I had a wonderful time making all the food. I seriously am still so full from eating everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see me do this video again, let me know what you want to see down below in the comments. Check out my vlog channel, check out my TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next one.